10 most human-looking robots. Think of a future where robots are so ingrained in mankind's culture that they have become necessities as the smartphones in our hands today. This scenario is not so far from today, as humanoid robots are gradually becoming a mainstream necessity. Some of them even exactly look like humans. You can't differentiate a humanoid from a real human at a glance. This video is going to be exciting, as 10 human-like robots are gonna amaze us by their presence. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and also press the bell icon to never miss an update about artificial intelligence, robotics, and future technology. That being said, let's begin. In automation, engineering, energy storage, artificial intelligence, and machine learning intersect, the robotics revolution is rapidly accelerating. The astonishing implications will change robots' skills and their ability to take over tasks previously performed by humans. Wait, then what about us? Where will mankind stand in the future then? That's quite a deep topic to discuss. That's for another day. Today we will introduce you to 10 human robots who look just like your neighbor or your grumpy boss. You can ask for a glass of beer from the gentleman who comes first in our list. Meet Kime. Kime, a robot bartender by Mako Robotics, won't be able to give you homey, wise advice like a human, but it will pour you a beer. Kime is a humanoid food and beverage serving robot created by Mako Robotics in Seville, Spain. Kime is a 2 square meter robot with a robotic head and torso, as well as 2 articulating arms that can grab and distribute liquor. It is truly a wonderful creation by its manufacturers, as it masters the art of pouring drinks by managing the pressure, temperature, and inclination of the glass. Want to meet a robot who will engage in work in a warehouse? Meet Digit. Digit will work in warehouses where it will learn to collaborate with humans in a controlled environment. Digit will then learn how to unload trailers. He is expected to bring packages to people's doorsteps in the future, according to the business. Digit is primarily intended to be a delivery robot, a sector that already has several big and profitable participants, such as Starship Robotics. This robot is equipped with depth sensor and LiDAR to assist it to navigate in varied work environments. This allows it to navigate different situations and plans its moves to avoid obstacles. Also, this enables it to perform tasks such as ascending stairs with goods weighing up to 40 pounds in its arms. Overall, it depicts a robot that looks a lot like the walking robots we've seen in science fiction, even if it's a lot less jerky. And it's time for a child robot, CB2. Including flexible actuators and soft skin, these robots are capable of standing up and making baby-like actions with assistance from a human. The child robot with biomimetic body, or CB2, is said to be gradually learning social skills through interacting with humans and studying their facial expressions, similar to a mother-baby bond, according to its developers. An unadorned childlike creature dangles its legs from a chair, its shoulders rising and falling in time with its rhythmic breathing, and its black eyes following motions across the room. Processors record and assess information beneath the delicate silicon skin of one of Japan's most advanced robots. The 130cm, 4'4" humanoid is programmed to learn in the same way that a human newborn does. Sometimes the people near us fail to understand our non-verbal emotions, but what if a robot can read it, understand it? The robotics sector, with its updated expertise, brings to us Pepper. Pepper is a semi-humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics and capable of reading emotions. It was unveiled during a press conference on June 5, 2014, and began being shown in SoftBank mobile phone stores across Japan the next day. Pepper's capacity to perceive emotion is dependent on facial expressions and voice tones being detected and analyzed. It has wheelbase with omnidirectional movement, recognition of speech and objects. Multiple programming languages are also supported using a software development kit (SDK). All the information about its operations will be shown on a tablet. Japanese, English, French, and Spanish are among the 20 languages that are supported in Pepper. And this is the time for number 5, the most realistic-looking robot, Humanoid DK. Humanoid DK is a lifelike android created for human-robot interaction study. It's based on Danish scientist Henrik Scharf, who uses the android as a robotic surrogate and controls it remotely. The face and torso are equipped with a variety of actuators. Breathing and blinking movements can be performed independently. We are truly wading through the future with robots. Humanoid DK is the creation of Japanese corporation Kokoro and robotics scientist Hiroshi Ishiguro. It more or less resembles Aalborg University's associate professor, Henrik Scharf. Time for the next one. In the year 2015, in the country of Japan, creators from Osaka University, Kyoto University, and ATR gave us our next human robot, Erica. Erica is a high-tech android that was created as a research platform for studying human-robot interaction. It speaks in natural language, has a human-like voice, and can make a range of facial expressions. It has capabilities for natural conversation and motion generation. Human-like look that is ultra-realistic, and gestures and facial expressions that are the remarkable features of this humanoid. Hiroshi Ishiguro and Kohei Ogawa, two Japanese scientists, taught her not just how to act, but also how to understand the aspects and concepts of method acting. That's why she bagged a role in a sci-fi Hollywood movie. Moving on to the next robot, Surena 4, which is Iranian. Surena is an Iranian humanoid robot series named after Parthian general Surena. After examining Surena's performance, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, has ranked it among the world's most prominent robots. From that series, we are going to focus today on Surena 4. Surena's fourth-generation humanoid robot was formally unveiled on December 14, 2019. One of the key goals of the Surena 4 project was to improve robot environment interaction. Face detection and counting, object detection and measurement, activity detection, speech recognition, speech-to-text, and speech production text are all capabilities of the robot, resulting in a better voice user interface. By merging AI abilities with whole body motion planning, online grip, face, object follow, and action imitation, this robot has been developed. Let's move forward to the next. Toyota THR-3. A brand new humanoid robot in its third-generation robots stands 1.5 meters tall and weighs 75 kilos, with 32 degrees of torque-controlled mobility and a pair of 10-fingered hands. It appears capable at first appearance, with great balance and coordination, and Toyota has chosen to approach autonomy by keeping a person in the loop inside a sophisticated, immersive, master maneuvering system. THR-3 humanoid robot, remotely controlled by 5G network from a distance of 10 kilometers to 6.2 miles. The bot, which was first revealed a year ago, has only operated direct wired connections so far. Now let's meet with an actor. I mean a robotic actor. Robo-Thespian. Robo-Thespian is a robotic actor, which means he is a robot actor rather than a lousy human actor. It speaks over 30 languages and can be found on stages all around the world. Text-to-speech engine and male and female voices are included in it. It can be programmed using a graphical interface or an API. Modes include scripted and teleoperation. Robo-Thespian is the result of expert robotics teams' 15 years of iteration and innovation. Robo-Thespian is yours to command remotely from anywhere, thanks to the innovative Tritium operating system. This extraordinary creation will create waves of excitement wherever you place them. Whether it's at your theater or trade show, on a live panel or TV show, in a room full of executives, or a science park full of visitors, with a range of expressive movements, speech, and songs that can be animated. Okay, here we come to the last, but of course not the least, Anki Cosmo. The palm-sized robot, created by San Francisco-based Anki, is both a harmless toy and has a strong reputation as it is popularized in cinema and television. Cosmo was designed to communicate with its users and has a small display screen that may be utilized to replicate human emotional responses when combined with acoustic effects. Anki even enlisted the expertise of a former Pixar animator to give Cosmo the sense of a cartoon character. When someone approaches the robot, it emits a variety of expressive chirps, which it detects using its built-in camera. As a result, Cosmo has a Wall-E-like personality, making him seem more like a pet than a toy robot. Cosmo can also recall faces and names, thanks to its camera, of course. It comes with 3 cubes that contain sensors and lighting for various games, as well as allowing Cosmo to design. This brings us to the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss another update from us. Until then, peace.